Okay, now discussing question number 12 from the back questions of aldehydes and ketones. Now, before I start answering this question, I would like to revise two topics here. First of all, addition of HCN is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Why? Because this breaks down to generate a nucleophile CN minus, which is a nucleophile. So it is nucleophilic addition reaction. Whenever you see a reaction with HCN, it is a nucleophilic attack there. What I need to explain over here is, let us consider two compounds where one is an aldehyde CH3CHO and the other is a ketone, acetone I am taking for example. Now the nucleophile will always attack the positive center. More positive is the electrophilic center, easier is the attack by the nucleophile. More positive is the electrophilic center, easier is the attack by the nucleophile. Fine. Okay. Now in this bond C double bond O, we know that the pi electrons, they shift towards oxygen, developing a negative charge on oxygen and making carbon as the electrophilic center, right? So nucleophile will be attacking here. This is the electrophilic center. Similarly, here this becomes negative and this becomes positive. So nucleophile will be attacking again here in case of a ketone also. What is the difference between the reactivity of an aldehyde and a ketone towards this nucleophilic addition reaction? Now if I see the aldehyde, this is positive but this is an electron releasing group or an electron donating group. So even if it is positive, this is constantly supplying electron density to make it to disperse its positive charge, right? When its positive charge is getting dispersed, the attack by the nucleophile becomes difficult. While if I see in the ketone, there are two electron donating groups. That means two electron donating groups would be dispersing the positive charge of the carbon atom more than it was dispersing in aldehyde. So in which of the two, out of aldehydes and ketones, in which would you say that the attack by nucleophile is difficult? Where there are more number of electron donating groups. So ketones are always less reactive. Ketones are always less reactive than aldehydes in nucleophilic addition reaction because of the presence of two electron donating alkyl groups. We know that in ketone there are always two alkyl chains attached to this carbonyl carbon. How do we write the reason here? We say that the two electron donating groups, they decrease the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon. I repeat, the two electron donating groups present in the ketone, they decrease the electrophilicity of the carbonyl carbon. Hence, ketones are always less reactive than aldehydes in case of nucleophilic addition reactions. And this was the first point that I wanted to discuss. The second point, you already know that whenever I am calling a compound acidic, that means the release of proton, that means the release of proton is easier in that compound.